So we have along with us Miss Anupama Kundu, who is the architect, the designer of the German Pavilion in this year's International Kolkata Book Fair. So ma'am, can you just tell us about the idea, the concept of this year's pavilion?
So the pavilion is called Shelf Life, and the idea of the shelf life is to extend the life of what is in the shelf. In this case, the books. So I thought of producing something, a minimalistic architecture but a maximum experience. So we have taken the basic element of the bookshelf. It is the architecture of the bookshelf itself. There are only two elements. There are bookshelves that are grounded towards the floor, but they are floating towards the ceiling, as you can see, and it is almost becoming flying, towards the sky. So the only other element is light. So the space between the shelves make way for light to come, daylight to come. We need light for reading, but light is also symbolic of the enlightenment. And the space is supposed to create a very orthogonal bookshelf that breaks its orthogonality. So there is some structural engineering to hold this kind of concept and to make it possible. It's an offering that if you are celebrating books so much in the city, so we are only creating an abundance of shelf space. We all have shortage of space, right? So we are creating an abundance of storage space, and I hope to inspire for the cities in some bus stands and public places. We can have these empty shelves that the city, like street furniture and benches, it can give this to the city. Look, like some of the panels they are doing, they are stacking in a very different logistics. There's a flexible arrangement you can make according to where. Somewhere it can become a bench, somewhere it can be a stool. You can sit there. You can use it for anything, multi-purpose. It's the modern life which sometimes makes us adopt some of these habits. So sustainability for us is something totally building upon what is already in the culture. We also know how India is colorful, and it also represents a diversity which we want to celebrate. So, and you see that if you have so much diversity, you can have harmony, because white is the peaceful harmonizing factor which binds all of them.
Thank you so much.